Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. On Windows, install Icloud for Windows, and on your iPhone, enable iCloud Photos. Once done, sign into iCloud for Windows with the same Apple ID you use on the phone. Make sure Windows is updated and you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids partial syncs. Go into the iCloud app and tick Photos right away so the service starts registering your library. This initiates the first handshake between iCloud and Windows. Next, you configure how files move. Open iCloud for Windows and select Photos, then Options. Enable iCloud Photos and choose whether to download originals or optimized versions. Once selected, set the download folder so you know where images land. You can pick pictures or a custom folder for organization. Make sure Download New Photos and Videos to My PC is checked so new items come automatically. After that, open File Explorer and look for the iCloud Photos folder. This is where synchronizations. To finish, inspect the iCloud Photos folder in File Explorer and open the Windows Photos app to import items if you prefer local albums. Make sure all devices are online and that your iCloud storage has space. Lack of storage stops uploads and downloads. Once everything is complete, you can organize or back up the downloaded images. If something goes wrong, sign out of iCloud for Windows, restart the app or your PC, and sign back in. This quick reset often forces a fresh sync and resolves stuck transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.